gosh! Jinu is proposing to Rumi!
Oh my God!
I've already prepared a special wedding checklist for them. Let's start with hair and makeup. And here's Rumi. Okay, time to get started. Oh my gosh, what happened? Of course she gets pimples right before the wedding. All right, we can fix this. First, I need to choose a tool. Scissors? Maybe a knife? Oh no, that's definitely too much. I think my hands will do just fine. Pop! There goes one. Moving on to the next. Voila! Her face is almost clear. Wait, what happened to her eyebrows? Okay, this is too much. Looks like we need a little hair removal. Cutting off a piece of sticky tape. Placing it right in the center. And pop! Rumi, you're fine. This is supposed to happen. The extra hairs stayed on the tape. I'll clean up the shape a little with tweezers. There, that looks so much neater. Let's refresh her skin with a butter mask. Ooh, it feels so soft.
Nani?
Carefully opening the package with a knife. Now I'm applying the butter right onto her face. It shines like pure gold. Okay, full relaxation mode. Great, now we just have to wait. I think it's ready to come off. Ooh, the surface looks so smooth and shiny. Moving on to the makeup. Pop, and here comes the paint. What? Yellow? Nope, let's try that again. Voila, now it's pink. I'm gonna need a brush. Oops, this one is way too thin. And here's a palette of bright eyeshadows. I need something fluffier for these. Let me check my special box. Okay, jewelry in here. Some random beauty stuff over here. And there are my brushes. I'll take this one, the smallest one. Picking up some bright yellow eyeshadow and applying the color to Rumi's eyelids. That looks so stylish. Next up, her hair. I'll spray on a little highlighter for some festive sparkle. Oops, why does that look like dandruff? Okay, just kidding. It actually turned out super sparkly. Wait, what's this? This flower looks like the perfect base for a veil. Threading the tool through the opening. Adding a little glue and securing a pearl brooch in place. Done! Let's try it on Rumi right away. Perfect! Now I can gently lower the veil over her face. Great! First item on my checklist is done. Next up is the wedding dress. Pop! Here comes the bride! Yeah, that outfit definitely isn't gonna work for a wedding. What can I make a dress out of? Looks like I somehow managed to use up literally all my materials. Oh, looks like we have a delivery. Thanks, Derpy. Your timing is perfect as always. Let's see what's inside this mysterious box. Wow, there's an actual wedding dress in here. I have to try it on Rumi. Pop. Honestly, it looks pretty cute. But what about the back? Oh my gosh, no! We need a different dress immediately! Maybe this one? Nope, definitely not. Okay, now this option looks way more interesting. Changing Rumi into the new dress. Not bad, but it's definitely missing something for a wedding. So I'm going to customize it to fit her style. This sheer fabric will work perfectly. Cutting off a small strip at the right length. And here's some thread. White will be perfect for this. Now I just have to get it through the eye of the needle. Oh, why is this always so hard? Yes, I finally got it. Stitching straight through the fabric and gently gathering it along the thread. Now we have this beautiful voluminous draping. Adding it to the sleeves. Next comes a full white skirt. And of course I need some sparkle. So I'm using self-adhesive rhinestone trim. Which one should I choose? Yep, purple will make the perfect bright accent. Cutting the strip in half lengthwise. Peeling off the backing. And carefully placing the rhinestones along the sleeves. I decided to decorate the belt with rhinestones too. And these larger ones are going on the skirt. They're self-adhesive, so this part is super easy. Wow, okay, now we definitely have enough sparkle. I love this combination. These are totally Rumi's signature colors. And the final detail is a big diamond heart on the bodice. All that's left is the shoes. I think I have a better option. Oops, nope, definitely not those. All right, one more try. There we go, much better. Switching Rumi into the new pair. Now the whole look comes together and definitely has that Rumi vibe. Looks like Jinu approves too. Checking off the second item on my list. And now it's time to take a break from wedding prep and throw a bachelorette party. What could be better than a spa day? Mira and Zoe are already here and ready to have some fun. Rumi is so happy to see her friends. What's a hot tub without a rubber duck? Oops, looks like these guys already found themselves some comfy spots. Oh, I think I found one that's still available. Into the tub it goes. Nope. Okay, this duck has officially taken over the entire hot tub. I'll set up a table nearby with everything we need for our improvised spa. Soft bath sponges, gels and shampoos, and basically every variety imaginable. Let's add just a tiny bit of foam to the water. Oh, who am I kidding? What do I mean a tiny bit? Wow! Okay, I definitely went overboard with the bubbles. But honestly, this is even better. All right, time to get in. Rumi goes first, although we should probably take those boots off. There, now she can finally relax. Zoe and Mira are joining her next. Scooping up some foam with a sponge and gently washing Zoe's hair. And Rumi gets that rubber duck. Now let's give Mira's feet a good scrub. Ultimate relaxation. Great, spa time is over, so let's dry off. Patting Rumi dry with a towel. Now she gets a fancy bachelorette robe. Mira gets a stylish faux fur one, and Zoe… Oh my gosh, is that a shark? Do we need to save Zoe? Okay, I get it. It's just her pajamas. Oh no, looks like a guy accidentally crashed the bachelorette party. Oops, this is awkward. The bachelorette party was a success, so I can cross that one off too. Now it's time for the ultimate bachelor party. Looks like the guys found plenty to do without me. Baby is hanging out with Derpy, while Abby is busy gaming. Wait, where's Jinu? We somehow lost the groom. Hey, hold on. Wait, Jinu, is that you? I didn't even recognize you. Wow, looks like the bachelorette party went on a little too long. Well, first things first, he needs a serious haircut. Cutting off all this overgrown hair. There's enough here for a whole new wig. Trimming off the excess, and voila! Already so much better. Now we need to deal with that beard. Adding a little shaving foam. I said a little, not absolutely nothing. There, much better. He looks like Santa Claus. Carefully shaving off the beard with a trimmer. Wiping away the leftover foam with a tissue. Great, now I can actually recognize Jinu again. Moving on to his formal outfit. Derpy is right on time again with something interesting. Oh, it's a gorgeous, sparkly suit. Thanks, Derpy. Starting with the pants. They fit Jinu perfectly. Now for the jacket. Which one is better, this one or this one? Okay, let's try both. Yep, this is the perfect match. Next, we need the right shoes. I can't decide between black and white. I think the white ones look way more interesting with this outfit. Putting them on Jinu. Yep, now the look is almost complete. The only thing missing is a hat. I'm using glitter black foam for this. Cutting out a neat circle with scissors. Folding it in half. And cutting an opening in the center. Done! And no extra cuts. Gluing a strip of foam around the edge to form the crown of the hat. Now I just need to close off the bottom. Aha! Here's the perfect piece. Great! The base of the hat is ready. Time for some decoration. Hey, little tag, where do you think you're going? Gotcha! This cord will work perfectly here. Cutting off a small piece at the right length and wrapping it around the hat. Almost done. The final touch is a long decorative chain. You can easily make one using fishing line and nail polish. Trying the hat on Jinu. And that's it! His idol-inspired wedding look is complete. Baby and Derpy definitely approve. Perfect! Another item checked off my list. Finally, everything is ready for the wedding. Hey, wait, where's the bride? Looks like Jinu is starting to get nervous. Derpy is panicking. And the guests clearly have no idea what's going on either. Okay, no need to panic. Let's give Rumi a little more time. Meanwhile, I'll make an aisle on the floor with flower petals. Oh, there she is! Judging by Jinu's reaction, she was definitely worth the wait. Alright, time to head down the aisle. Ta-da! Oh, such a romantic moment. Rumi and Jinu are finally married. Perfect, another item checked off the list. Wait, I think I forgot the wedding cake. Oh no, I need to come up with something fast. I have a little table and this ready-made cake. It doesn't look like much yet, but it'll work perfectly as a base. Pop! Let's add some bright details with cream glue. Attaching a special piping tip to the tube. Decorating the edges of each tier with the cream. Now I'll add some sparkly rhinestones and pearl beads. Wow, now the cake looks so much more interesting. Perfect, checking off the final item. And look, I happen to have a great portrait of the newlyweds. Cutting it out and attaching it to the top as the final decoration. Wedding checklist complete. The happy couple is together, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!